Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to discuss the novel The Mill and the Floss. So the characters, the most important characters of this novel, The Mill and the Floss. It has been written by George Eliot. She is known as George Eliot and her real name is Mary Ann Evans. So the narrator of this novel is unnamed and individual person, and the person explains the situation and the context of Dorlcote Mills. It was run by the father of Maggie and Tom Tulliver. So the style of this story of this novel is predominant, and it has been used first person, being a narrator, and the humor in this novel, in this story, has been used is very satiric, and the narrating is reflecting on the lives of Tulliver from the 30 years after Tom and Maggie died. So the first character, you can say the protagonist of the novel, is Maggie Tulliver. Maggie Tulliver is a very intelligent, a very nice person. She reflects the life of George Eliot. So some people say that this is the story of George Eliot in the disguise of Maggie Tulliver. So the life of Maggie Tulliver represents the life of George Eliot. So she is very conflicted protagonist of this novel. Why? Because each and every time she faces issues of society, homely issues, and after that she lost every relation in this novel. So the Mill and the Floss, when the novel begins, she is very young, clever, imaginative, and she has a brother, you can say a very troublesome brother. His name is Tom Tulliver. So she likes to spend the life according to her own wishes, according to her own desires, but the society affects her not being followed her desire, and society and family environment gives very tough situation, very tough life to her. She is educated, and she she desires for education, music, love, literature, and she want to be a very nice person to everyone, but every time her feelings are being used to be heard by the typical life of a particular and contemporary life of that era and their society. So she has a relationship with Stephen, and it was being not good relationship with him, with Stephen, and that's why she was being used to be a guilty person later on. So the character of her brother Tom Tulliver is not so much good, being a relationship with Maggie Tulliver, because the relation of kinship with Maggie Tulliver is not being kind person with her. So he is older 4 years from Maggie Tulliver. He is an athletic, bright person. Why? Because he felt that he was a very nice person, smart in that society, particular from he is very nice from Maggie Tulliver. It was the thought of Tom Tulliver, and he is willing to sacrifice each and everything for his family. It was the time that Mr. Tulliver, the father of Maggie and Tom Tulliver, he lost each and everything. He was a person who have some property and have a mill, and it was being lost by Mr. Tulliver. So Tom Tulliver wanted to get all these things, the honor of his family, and he wants to regain the honor of his family. Mr. Tolliver is the father of Maggie and Tom, and he is person who have a mill, door caught mill, and he is very hard tempered person. He was very stubborn. He is not he was not a kind person, as like it was expected by her, by his daughter. And he is also intelligent person but not educated person. He was loving to Maggie and his sister, Miss Moss. He is proud of Maggie intelligence, as she was a very nice girl, and she uses to follow all the instruction and rules regulation of the contemporary society. And it was a very good gesture for Mr. Tolliver to be frightful on the character of his daughter and as well as his son. And he at the end he loses all his property, and after that he dies due to tension and bad situation and the agony of that social circumstances. Mrs. B.C. Tolliver is the mother of Maggie and Tom Tolliver. She is a very nice and she is a very comely woman. She is very simple and she loves her children, Tom and Maggie Tolliver. After marriage of Tom Tolliver, she uses to go to live with her daughter. She goes apart from his brother, Tom Tolliver, and Mrs. Bessie Tolliver uses to live with her daughter Maggie Tolliver. Philip Wickham is the son of Mr. Wickham, and due to accident in his childhood, he got some infancy. She got some, you can say, disableness, and due to disableness, he used to be crippled. And he was a very intelligent, talented person, but he feels some bitterness over his physical inferiority and the attitude and the behavior of some characters in the novel are not good with him. So that's why he does not feel good in this novel. But he is a very educated, very nice, very good person, and he is in the relationship with the Maggie Tolliver, which gives a very tough time to Maggie Tolliver, and that's why she leaves the house of her brother Maggie Tolliver because of Philip Wickham. Stephen Guest is another character, and he is a very young, charming, rich man. He is 25-year-old and he wants to be a politician, and he is a good friend of Philip, but he engaged with Lucy, and Lucy is the cousin of Maggie and Tom Tolliver. So he is overcome and quickly fall in love with Maggie Tolliver as he meets with Maggie Tolliver, and the relationship of Maggie Tolliver and Stephen Guest was not liked by any person in that particular society. Lucy Dean is cousin of Maggie and Tom, and she is very pleasant, quiet, passive, doll-like, and never trouble some person. And she, as an adult, she is pretty kind and generous, although she has never had any true difficulty to test her spirit except for her mother's death, and eventually Maggie and Stephen are running away together. So it gives a very tough time to Lucy Dean. Why? Because Stephen Guest was the fiance of Lucy Dean, and it shocked the social and the mental life of Lucy Dean. So these are major and important characters of the novel. So here is another character, Mrs. Jane Glick. So Mrs. Jane Glick is this sister of Tolliver. Mrs. Tolliver means she is the sister of the mother of Tom and Maggie mother. Bob Jakin is a friend of Tom Tolliver. He is poor, but he is a very kind, he is a very loyal friend of Tom Tolliver.